Ireland gives us what we need.
And no one leaves.
So here I'll stay, my home, my people beside me. And when I think of tomorrow, there we are. I'll lead the way, I'll have my people to guide me. We'll build our future together.